Hey everyone, today we're starting off somewhere different. We are on the back street down by the outdoor market, back of Flamingo Oasis, which you could just see there. Yeah, that's Flamingo, ain't it? Next door's the Fancy Club, down the IMED Hospital. Just to let you know, there are some building works going on there, so how noisy it will be, I'm not sure. Anyway, nice little bowls area as well there. You may or may not know there is a nice little park round the back of Flamingo Oasis, which I will show you. Something that's rather popular in Benidorm here is these little dog agility courses, but going and showing around. No, I'm not a dog. Basically just a few rules to follow. Collect the excrement of your pet and deposit it in bins. Keep your pets under control at all times to follow discomfort of other users. Just stuff like that. Just sort of show you around it super quick. Do have some benches if you want to chill, and sort of multiple different obstacles so you can train your dog. Sort of run up there, down to the end, up onto the little seesaw next, then back down. Do have like the dog climbing wall there. Yeah, that's probably for more your bigger dogs, stronger dogs. Don't really imagine a Chihuahua could get over that. I mean, you never know, guys, it's Benidorm, ain't it? Then, of course, little slalom, weave in and out. Little jump there. Then jump through the hole, and finish it off with a little wall there as well. So, I mean, quite a good little area to train your dog. Maybe you could like time it as well. Practice on making it quicker. So pretty interesting. We'll show you the human park now, if my mic will be so kind to get the gate. Gracias, Father. So that's the dog park. Come back down around here. Do have a nice outdoor gym area. Quite popular here in Spain. They have tried them in England, however, but yeah, they ain't really took off in England, have they? No one down from where we used to live in England, always getting vandalised. Pull up bars to lock there, and just to show you, you got a board as well telling you some of the exercises you can do, and there is an actual wheelchair friendly area as well of it. That's nice, actually. not giving not your elderly people more sort of access. Nice little walk round as well. I imagine it would be nicer in summer to come and have a walk round here. Maybe have a picnic, sit and relax. I mean, I imagine the building works gonna make quite a bit of noise, so won't really be too relaxing, but still, guys, nice little park area, isn't it? And it's just the back of Flamingo Oasis.
A bit of water jumping here, Marcus.
Yeah, bit of water jumping here, little ford. Go on then.
That's a bit rubbish.
And that little storm drain down there. Think there might be a homeless lad sleeps down there as well, maybe. Not too sure. Then you do come to another biggish park area, another outdoor gym up the top here as well. Quite nice. We did tend to try use it a fair bit when we were up in this area of Benidorm. When we got a half decent day, we did try come up here. So yeah, there's the outdoor gym. Looks like the back there, bit of road work. Bit of building work actually going on that scrap land.
The hotel, you think?
Yeah, could be another hotel. Normally where some of the gypsies will put their camper vans. Anyway, take you back down into the park, show you a bit more of it. Absolutely beautiful park area. Not really too peaceful at the moment, but still it is nice. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.